Basically, Crimson is about the red stuff that came out. The red eye cyst for Cora, the red mouth for Belato, and the red speech kit for Akrisha. Aside from that, we have new features for the chip war, which is the main reason why players level up themselves and get stronger, because it's the chance to get raped. Aside from that, meron ding some bagong rules for chip war, na ang idea ng chip war is maglalaban yung tatlong races, which is the Cora, the Belato, and the Akrisha. Kaya ang goal ng chip war is to break another race's chip para makamine kayo sa core, where you can get your resources para lumakas ang isang character. Para sa akin, ang RF Online kasi, open PvP siya. Paglabas mo ng settlement mo, pag nakakita ka ng ibang character, ng ibang race, pwede mo siyang i-PK agad. So, aside from that, hindi lang siya player versus player na PK, kundi race versus race na PK. So, imagine sa isang map, yung tatlong race naglalaban-laban. I'm inviting you to play RF Online. For those, especially for those players who love to PK, just go to rfonline.ph and click register so you can start playing RF. Bye-bye!